today I'm going to be playing some Roblox with Willow.
Hi!
Yes, okay.
Oh my god, this is so weird. Look how weird this is.
This is not happening again.
Are you going to join the game?
Please don't happen again. Please don't happen again. I had to leave because it was doing the thing. You remember what happened last time? Yeah, it happened again.
So oh god, I have to scroll out a bit. Okay, so it's red.
I gotta show the screen so you guys. Okay, there we go. I just had to rejoin. Plus, I hate that one because it's so mean. You just don't go like that.
Are you still in the same game?
Yeah. Alright, well, this is nice. I'm gonna go in the deep dark cave of crystals.
Yeah, it's a bit weird in there.
That everyone's been in.
I just went in there a second ago.
I've been in it before. Okay. I really like my jellyfish.
No, I didn't get to complete it. Oh, you're in the cave. Where are you?
I'm going in the cave.
Okay, I'm coming. How do I run?
In the cave. You don't run. Okay.
Oh god. I'm coming.
I'm in the cave. And now I'm in a room of disgusting dynamite.
Okay, so I'm in the cave. Where are you? I can't find you. Are you in the dynamite room? No! That's it! Oh,
Are you in
God.
red?
I don't know. I know I'm blue.
Oh no. Great, we're against each other.
Aww.
And I got some pros. Some pros.
I'm not much of a pro. I'm just making everyone lose. Actually, no, I'm making everyone win.
I think literally everyone's doing.
My team is winning.
Our team is losing right now. But it might change.
Move!
Tables turn.
Yeah, tables do turn. That's true.
Strawberry. Strawberry. No,
How
strawberry!
did
You stupid strawberry!
No, the ball's rolling back!
Oh my god, what the hell, strawberry?
Why are you talking to a strawberry? Oh,
No,
actually,
her name is Strawberry.
I'm allergic to certain strawberries, so at school, me and my friend Evie, we call each other pineapples and strawberries. Move, people, please.
You're allergic to fruit. Okay, we're almost there, actually.
Actually, we're done. Literally, we're nearly done.
Same here. Oh my god, you stupid strawberry!
Oh, strawberries on my team.
No, Strawberry 707.
She's on my team.
No, she's on my team.
No, she's not. Oh,
'Cause
there
there's a
are two.
We're gonna win! We won!
We won.
No, we won.
We won.
No, we won.
We won.
We just won.
No. Oh, that sucks. I'm going back in the mining caves. Do you want to come?
No, look, this girl. She kept on making us.
Yeah, there are two strawberry 707s.
70777. I hate this one
Suck at this.
because it's like parkour, and I'm terrible at parkour.
I'm quite good at parkour.
Oh my gosh, there is two strawberry 707s.
Exactly. That's
What the
I'm saying.
heck?
No, oh god. How are we meant to do this parkour?
I'm confused. I got them on newbie.
Oh, you have to dodge it. You have to.
No, you don't have to dodge it. You have to jump on them.
Oh, fudge.
I know. It's so hard. Sorry if you think it's easy, but for me, it's terribly hard.
How am I meant to do this?
You have to jump on top of everyone.
This is so hard.
I know. That's why I keep on failing at this.
No, someone just pushed me up. Oh my god. Yes, I'm on one.
Yeah, you have to get to the top of it.
Oh, it just exploded in my face. That was so rude. How dare you? Oh my god, I just did it again.
Oh my god,
I
there's
just
too
give
many
up
people.
for this.
Yeah, I just completely give up.
Do you know what? I'm just gonna stand in the middle and hope I get hit in the head.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, I'm just gonna follow this one here.
We
So get hit in the face. I'm gonna see if I get hit anytime soon.
I'm trying to jump on them. This sucks.
Can I get hit?
Oh, I jumped on
Can I
two
get
and it
hit?
worked.
I wanna get hit.
Did I win?
No.
I never won.
Strawberry 7. Which one is it? There's two strawberry 707s. Is it this one or is it that one? Oh, this is Strawberry 7077. And then this one is Strawberry 7077. Going underground. Oh, I love this one. This is my favorite.
Oh God, can you follow me?
Follow
Actually,
you?
can I follow you?
Yeah, you can follow
Yeah,
me.
sorry.
Alright, okay.
Where are you? Oh, I see you.
Follow me.
Okay. Do you have to jump into a cave?
No, you have to go down in it.
Oh God, you would die.
Really hard.
Oh, I'm just bouncing. Do you know what? I'm just gonna bounce. Oh, do you have to go on one of these holes?
No, you don't go in the holes. The holes are naughty.
I just died.
Yeah, because you can.
You're not meant to touch the steam.
Yeah.
Dumb bomb.
Then you have to go up after.
I'm choosing next.
Yeah, it costs Robux.
No, I have Robux. Well,
5 Robux.
I have 1.
Okay, then you can't afford it.
I didn't even get to go down the water slide. That's not fair.
It would be chaos if you could just afford it for 1 Robux.
Yeah, guys, right now I am going down the water slide because I did not get to go down it. Okay, so this
Am I
is
just
my
gonna go up?
first ever
Okay, I don't
gaming
know.
video, so if it's not recording properly, please don't blame me because I've never done this before. Thanks to Sylvie, I have. Oh, I'm going down the water slide.
Oh right, I didn't even move
Oh my
them.
God, my head flips back.
You have the awesome. What you have to avoid the smoke. Yeah, everyone knows. So shut up, strawberries. You don't look like strawberries. You made me. You missed me.
Why are there 2? Oh my God, do you
Only
know
one.
this one?
Oh, I hate this one.
I'm following you.
I am not a pro. at
I'm
this.
following you.
So I would not say you follow
I
me.
can't find you.
I'm in the crystal cave,
Oh, that's right.
and I'm now. Oh, okay.
Right.
Oh no,
I can't see. Oh,
Okay, I struggle at this because I'm really
What
confused.
do you have to do?
You have to go.
Oh, you have to go on only one path.
Oh, I forgot the path already. Oh, I'm
Oh,
stuck.
God.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No, I died. I went on the wrong path. Donut. I should have just let everyone do it before me. Like,
Wee! It's
what?
not that one.
Oh my God, that was so creepy. I went inside someone and I looked terrible. That was horrifying. I see you.
Hi. I died.
Sorry, guys. I'm going through.
I died. Yep.
Oh, I really want Robux. This is so unfair. I really want to choose the next thing. Have you got Robux?
Yes.
Choose the
Okay.
next theme.
Okay. I'll choose
We're going to
it.
choose it.
This is going to be a surprise, but only my viewers can know.
No!
It's
Guys,
15 blinning Robux.
Guys, comment down below on my channel, which is called Galaxy. Just type up Balloon Unicorn and Galaxy_Unicorn will come up. So comment down below on my channel what it is, please. Thanks! But actually, don't worry about it. Oh my God, crystal clear!
I didn't choose that one.
Who chose it?
No one.
What? That seems quite good.
Mine's going to be next one. This one's hard. I hate this one.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, guys.
It's kind of hard.
Are you not meant to touch the obstacles or something?
I think your thing has stopped recording because the limit is 15.
Oh.
No, it's not that. It's you have to get the crystal before anyone else does.
What's the crystal? Where's the crystal?
It just looks like a crystal and you have to find it.
Oh God, I'm going in the house. Can I go in the house? No, I can't go
Where's
in
the crystal? Oh, it's over there.
I see it. No! No! Don't get it, go!
No! Calm down.
That is so annoying.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
I
I'm
see
gonna
it.
get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got it.
Where's it going to be next? I see it.
I got
No!
it.
No! This sucks.
Calm down.
I'm never going to get it.
Okay, right. So let's go.
Where
Seems
is
to be
it?
going this way.
Where is it?
She seems to be finding it.
I see it. I see it. No, I don't.
Oh no,
Yeah,
is she blind? Let's go.
I know where it is.
Yeah, I think you're gonna get it.
Who?
You.
Oh no, I don't know where it
Oh,
is.
it's over there. It's up there.
Up where?
Up there.
Oh.
You missed it completely.
Okay, I have to leave this game to see if I'm still recording.
Probably not.
Am I still recording? Leave. Okay, guys, on Sylvie's video, I have to quickly check.
Yay! My one's working.
am I
It's my
still
favorite. I don't know.
Oh no, I'm not recording.
Yes, you might have to stop.
Oh yeah, I reached the maximum.
Yeah, I'm gonna just.
I'm gonna upload it now. I'm scared. This is weird.
Okay.
I'm being too cool.
Yeah, you are. This is a safe either way with thorns.
How do you shoot it down? Oh god. No, I don't know.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Who knows what way I'm gonna go next? Okay, so no one's dead yet, I don't think. What? Why is it stopped? What? Alright, this is confusing. This guy is really trolling today. Whoa, God. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Oh, that almost ended horribly. Yeah, we did it. Everybody survived it. Yep.
So I'm gonna do part 1, 2, and 3.
Of what?
Of gaming.
Okay. And also comment if you want me to play some Minecraft. Because I have Minecraft.
I'm gonna tag Seagull. It me.
Nice. Alright. This is gonna be interesting. This girl's gonna go first.
Okay, and I'm gonna tag my roblox.
Boom.
Okay, I'm done.
Boom.
3, 2,
How did I not die?
1.
Oh, I killed myself. I'm so stupid.
Sorry guys if you can hear me in Sylvie's video. I'm going a bit cuckoo. This is my first ever video.
Yep.
I've got to stop going cuckoo.
Hola,
Can I
amigos.
exit this and play?
Yeah, you can press that. No, 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 no. No, press the X. And no, press that. Yes, she almost exited her video. And
Oh my god, that would be so scary.
almost had to restart her whole video. After this minigame, I might end the video. I don't know. Okay, what?
Okay, I'm gonna make another video. I want to make me another video.
Because you're uploading a video.
Okay, click on that. And click that.
I know, because you're already uploading a video.
I'm gonna join. Wait, your video nearly finished.
Yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, I'm gonna end it here, guys. What the hell is
Bye, guys.
Oh my gosh, my
What
face is
happened?
gone. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. So bye.
Can I see you? In the corner.
So bye.